Hey everybody. Um, okay, welcome to day 7 of our paper trading adventure. Um, first things first, I opened up 2 trades already this morning and they haven't been going so well. I was talking yesterday about how I thought Ethereum was kind of range bound between like 404 and around 370. I didn't really think it was going to do this breakout. I'll show you what I was looking at yesterday. So yesterday I was watching about this, and you can see here how it had come up to this resistance. It had been testing it. I thought this was a false breakout, and I kind of expected it to come. Maybe not back down all the way, but I thought we were going to see this pattern for a little while. You can definitely tested it, came up. So yesterday I was watching this, and you know what? Yeah, I had mentioned that somebody I follow said that they thought that Ethereum was about to break out, and I was like, no, you're crazy. Like, look at this here. Came right back down. So I decided to short this, and just so you can see what's been happening. Yeah, it definitely wasn't a very great play. So this was a doozy. This was a bad trade, definitely, that I made. I really expected this to come back down. I thought after it tested it again, no chance. That's not happening. And I still don't know if it's a totally bad trade. I should have been a little more cognizant of the price action, especially around this area. I'd identified this. This isn't exactly where I had the bar yesterday, the resistance line, but somewhere around here. I mean, like right here. You could put it anywhere around here, and you could tell this is an area of where you should really be paying attention, because you'll see there's really, and actually I think I made the mistake. I remember thinking, I was like, there's no support at all once you get above here. It can't possibly break out. And I was like, in hindsight, that doesn't really make any sense. And if you do, yeah, I keep going back. If you come back far enough, you'll see definitely there's definitely some resistance and support levels that I could probably find in here. And if you keep coming back, this is about almost a week ago, so you don't really have to go back that far. I remember thinking, like, there's nothing happening above this line, and in hindsight, that should have told me that if it does break out there, it might take off, which I think is what my friend was saying. So lucky I didn't actually short it here. I think I closed that position. I think I took like $1 loss or made 10 cents or something. I was like, I don't want to deal with it. And when I woke up this morning, I made a few trades this morning. Yeah, I think, somewhere around here. I don't remember. I'll have to look at the price and the time, but I know I shorted it because I have an open short position right now, and I shorted it, shorted it. And I learned one of my very first videos that I made. I kept shorting with huge amounts, and I almost blew my entire margin on a trade that just kept rising. So this time, I was doing like really small amounts just to control my position and practice some good risk management. And you know what? I made my money back here, actually. And I didn't sell. I didn't really expect this to happen. I kind of saw it resisted this line. This was some really strong resistance, I think. I don't know if we're ready to break that yet. We've already gone up, something like 10% today or something. 6%. So, yeah. So, anyways, just heading into today's session, we have an open short position that we're down a little bit, percent or two. And I also have an open BNB position. I have no idea why I shorted this. I also shorted this today. And in hindsight, kind of looking at this, yeah, a short play was just a bad idea. Whatever. What are you going to do? So that's what we're looking at here. Yeah, we're down a couple percentage points on these. And for those who've been following and those who aren't, I'm sticking to a $1,000 margin limit. And we're on day 7 today. So today will be the end of our first week of trading, and we'll see how we did so far. I was at like $65 positive before this morning, and still we're almost at $50 for the week. And starting from $1,000 account, that's actually not too bad. I mean, that beats the returns I would get putting that even maybe in some ETF or something. So let's try and find some trades for the day. I just wanted to show you guys one of those bad trades that I made. I don't want to start with BNB. I think I want this to be BAT. We're gonna start